What's good, wealth builders? It's the man, it's the myth, the wealth builder himself, Devon, put in work, Burke. And today we are talking about how to create income online without selling anything. Let's go.
To say that I'm on my grind is an understatement. Don't think I'm thinking you can check my bank statement. I'm about my money, yeah, that's a basic. World domination is what I'm truly facing.
Alright, so before we get started, make sure you subscribe to the channel and share this video, okay? Yes, please do so, alright? Because we talk about making more money, saving more money, building a better you, and business. So without further ado, let's get to the topic on hand. How to create income online without selling anything. Anything? Anything. All right, so you want to make money online, right? You want the time freedom, the no 9-to-5 lifestyle, all these gurus and commercials keep talking about, and the ability to set your own schedule. But there's one problem. One problem. It's not a small problem. It's kind of a big problem too. Because the whole online hemisphere, internet, web, Web3, cyberspace, social media, whatever you want to call it, is built around selling you something. That's right, folks. You need to sell something to make money online. From t-shirts, to magic potions, to wealth building systems, to real estate courses. Content. Something is being sold online 24/7, 365, even on Christmas. All right? That's right, even on Christmas. But what if there is actually a way to make money without being the actual seller? You're just being the lead catcher. You know, the person that sets the table for quality leads, and you end up getting paid handsomely for your efforts. Could you imagine getting paid $2 to $10 per person who opts into a website? All you have to do is provide the traffic. You know, the eyes on the website. Pretty simple, but most don't know how this is done or how it works or any of that, right? Well, it's called CPA Marketing. It's one of the easiest way to build income online without creating your own products, signing up to some MLM that you don't care for, or risking your hard-earned dollars in the stock market. If you want to learn how to start doing this and start making some simple cash without putting your hard-earned money up first, check the first link in the description. It will show you how to do this and more. And more. All right? I'm putting you on real quick because I know it's crazy out there right now, so I just want my people to win. All right, so thanks for watching. It's the man, it's the myth, the wealth builder himself, Devon, put in work, Burke, signing off for how to create income online without selling anything. Anything? Anything. Do remember, wealth builders, make more, save more, build more. Peace.
Say that I'm on my grind is an understatement. Don't think I'm thinking you can check my bank statement. I'm about my money, yeah, that's a basic. World domination is what I'm truly facing.